On a few occasions I've been asked about my flaunching mix. What mix do I use? How do I mix it up? Today I'm in Woollerton, Nottinghamshire, and I am repointing and reflaunching a chimney. I've got a few minutes spare, I'm ahead of time, so I thought I'd spend a few minutes making this video demonstrating what flaunching mix I use and how I make it. For a concrete flaunch, I always like to use a 3-part sharp sand, 1 part cement. I always mix with a mixing paddle. Sometimes if the customer can't provide me with electric, I bring my own generator, because I don't like to mix by hand, and you get a nice consistency with a paddle. So when mixing with a paddle in a nice big mixing bucket, the first thing you do is apply your water. I put SBR bond into my water. I try to make the ratio 10% SBR bond to the volume of water that's going in. I can't give you exact measurements for water because it all depends on how wet your sand is. In the middle of winter, when your sand's been outside at the building merchants and it's been raining all night on top of it, that sand can get quite wet. You need to put less water in your mix. In the middle of summer, it can be quite dry. So you've got to gauge it as best you can, and that only comes with experience. But one tip I can give you is don't put too much water in from the beginning, because it's much easier to get the right consistency by adding a bit of water than it is trying to bring it back if you've put too much in. Now I'm on site, I'm not measuring this exact, I'm trying to get it near or thereabouts, but I do that by sight. This is mixing concrete, this is not engineering. But that said, you don't want to put too much SBR bond in, otherwise you might ruin your mix, make it too over flexible. So just be mindful. Like I said, this is a 3-in-1 mix, and again, I'm not measuring it. In a mixing bucket of this size, if I was to get 3 big buckets or 3 builders buckets of sand and then 1 cement, it's going to be too big. So a practical way of doing this, in my opinion, is get 1.5 bags of 25 kg sharp sand, half a bag of cement. That fits nicely into my bucket, and that should do the job. If I need to mix up a bit more later on, then I can gauge it with trowels, etc. But for what I need at the minute, 1.5 bags of sand and half a bag of cement is going to do the job nicely. I've also got these little fibres that I bought from Amazon. These are really good, they break up really fine. I found the stuff that I buy in MKM is a bit big, and when you're troweling it off, you can get big bits of fibre in your flaunching, and it's difficult to make it right. But these, which I'll put a link to in the video description, break up really nice and fine, and you just need a handful of those in your mix, and this just stops the mix from cracking as it goes off, which is particularly useful on a day like today where it's quite warm. The consistency of your mix is fairly important. It's not critical, but you don't want your flaunching to be too wet, otherwise it could crack when it dries out, when all the moisture leaves it. And at the same time, you don't want it too dry, otherwise it won't adhere properly to the brickwork, and it's going to make it a lot harder to smooth out and get nice and smooth. But like I say, if you've put a bit too much water in at the beginning, the best bet is to try and bring it back with a couple of handfuls of building sand. That's going to dry it up a bit quicker. But like I say, in the beginning, try not to put too much water in, and then add water as you go till you get the nice consistency you're after. I hope that's been useful to you. If you have got your own special mix, leave it in the comments. I'd love to hear about it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next job.